lovelies, Ania here. Welcome to this tutorial how to practice Bakasana, the crow pose, safely. So we've been working with the crow pose on our intermediate yoga classes, and this video is to support the students to practice also Bakasana, the crow pose, at home safely. And this pose also, it seems to be quite acrobatic. We balance only on the hands. Might look like some advanced pose, but believe me, it's not that difficult. It requires some strength of the arms, but don't think that you need to have a big muscly arms to do Bakasana. That's not the most important. Some strength is important. Also, we need some strength of the core. So for example, the practice of the plank is very important as a preparation for the crow. If you can hold the plank for 45 seconds or so, then you're pretty good enough to give a go at the crow. Okay? But what is the most important in the practice of the crow is the ability to focus of the mind. And you will see it, that if your mind is all over the place, you won't be able to do it. It's either you kind of manage to fix your mind, stay focused, otherwise you will fail. So please don't attempt to practice it if your mind is very scattered, or definitely not after drinking some alcohol. So it's a fun practice, but take it seriously, take it with a focus. A great practice of yoga because it teaches you to stay present, to be focused. We activate the Ajna Chakra, which is quite rare energy, which is so helpful in our life, in everything we do in our life. This focus is important. Okay? So first I will show you how the crow looks like, so you have some visual representation, and then I will take you step by step. I will advise you on some props, on some cushions you can use to do it safely, to make it easier, and then we do it together. Okay, so we start in the squatting position. Okay, with the knees apart, we bring the palms on the ground, shoulder distance apart. We spread the fingers and we lift the hips up. Okay, and we want to put the shins over the upper arms. Okay, it's quite important to do it without any clothing, because you will see, you will slide more. When your arms at least are bare, you can easier bring the shins on the triceps and just they can stay there. And we fix the gaze approximately 50 centimeters from your hands. As you will see, we are leaning forward a little bit. This is very important. If we don't fix our gaze here but somewhere here, there will be more easy to actually fall on the head. Okay, so please don't do that. So we fix the gaze 50 centimeters approximately from the hands, so a little bit forwards, and we lean a little bit forwards, and we lift the feet off the ground. We stay focused here. Very good. Okay, so that's how the crow looks like. Now, to make it safe practice, strongly I suggest to use a big cushion to put in front of you. Okay, so well in front, so if you lose the balance, if you fall on your head, you have a nice here soft landing. Another thing, we can use the prop to lift our legs at first, feet at first, so then you don't need to take them that high, just a little. You can practice this, taking them a little off the ground. Okay, so you can use the cushion more a thick cushion, and perhaps you can use also some big books to lift the feet. Okay? So again, now you can join me. So just make sure you have a good here protection in front of you. Again, it has to be in front of you, because as you're leaning forward, then actually your head can go all the way here. Okay? So again, hands shoulder distance apart, knees to the side. We spread the fingers. And now we can start already on the cushion. So it's a bit higher. And we place the shins here on the upper arm. So here on the triceps. Again, we look just 50 centimeters from the hands. We fix the gaze, nice long neck. And from here we can first lift one leg up, then the other one. How does it feel? And see if you can lift both feet off the ground, even if it's very little. Try this a couple of times, but just remember, this focus is the most important thing. So make it, fix your gaze, find the spot and stay there, because if you start looking forward, so easy to fall and hurt your head. Okay, so let us give a go one more time together. The hands shoulder distance apart. Spread your fingers. Fix your gaze at the point approximately 50 centimeters from your hands as you will be leaning forward. Lift your hips up. Put the shins over the upper arms. Stay focused here. Nice long neck. Shoulders away from the ears. And see if you can lift either one leg off the ground or both legs from the cushion. Stay focused. Keep breathing. Very good. Slowly, with control, release the position. And that's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed this practice. If you have any questions about this practice, please ask in the comments. I will be happy to guide you. Please don't be tough on yourself. If you didn't manage to lift both your legs up, take it easy. Just practice it daily and become more familiar of staying on the hands, balancing only on the hands. And with time, it will become actually easier. You will be surprised at one time actually you can do it and it doesn't feel that difficult. So have fun with this and I see you on the mat soon. Namaste.